Practice English listening. The first day of school. It's a bright Monday morning, and Olivia is both excited and nervous. Today is her first day of school. She spent the last week preparing her new backpack, choosing her school supplies, and picking out her outfit. Now, the day has finally arrived, and she can't wait to meet her new teacher and make new friends. Olivia gets out of bed and puts on her favorite blue dress with white stars. She brushes her teeth, washes her face, and goes downstairs for breakfast. Her mom has made her a big breakfast of pancakes, fruit, and orange juice. "Good morning, sweetie. Are you ready for your first day of school?" Her mom asks with a big smile. "Yes, Mom. I'm a little nervous, but I'm also very excited," Olivia replies as she sits down at the kitchen table. "That's perfectly normal," her mom reassures her. "Everyone feels a bit nervous on the first day, but I know you're going to have a great time." After breakfast, Olivia puts on her new shoes, grabs her backpack, and gives her mom a big hug. "I'll see you after school, Mom," she says, trying to sound brave. "You're going to do great, Olivia. I love you," her mom says, waving as Olivia heads out the door with her dad. The school is only a short walk from their house, and as they walk, Olivia and her dad talk about all the fun things she'll do at school. "You'll get to learn new things, play games, and make lots of new friends," her dad says. Olivia nods. "I hope my teacher is nice," she says quietly. "I'm sure your teacher will be wonderful," her dad replies. "Just be yourself and you'll be fine." When they arrive at the school, Olivia sees many children with their parents. Some kids are waving goodbye, while others are chatting excitedly with their new classmates. Olivia takes a deep breath and holds her dad's hand tightly as they walk to the entrance. Inside the school, a friendly teacher greets them. "Hello, you must be Olivia. Welcome to your first day of school," the teacher says with a warm smile. "Hi," Olivia says shyly. "I'm a little nervous." "That's okay," the teacher replies kindly. "We're going to have a lot of fun today. Let me show you to your classroom." Olivia waves goodbye to her dad and follows the teacher down the hallway. They enter a bright and colorful classroom filled with books, posters, and a big alphabet chart on the wall. There are small desks arranged in a circle, and a few other children are already sitting down. "This is your seat, Olivia," the teacher says, pointing to a desk with a name tag on it. Olivia sits down and smiles at the girl next to her. "Hi, I'm Olivia," she says. "Hi, I'm Emma," the girl replies. "I'm a little nervous, too." Olivia feels a bit better knowing she's not the only one. "Maybe we can be friends," she suggests. Emma nods. "I'd like that," she says, smiling back. As more children come in, the teacher rings a small bell to get everyone's attention. "Good morning, everyone. My name is Mrs. Brown, and I'm so happy to see all of you here today," she says. "We're going to have a great year together." Mrs. Brown starts the day by reading a story about a brave little kitten who goes on an adventure. Olivia loves listening to stories, and she feels herself relaxing as she listens to Mrs. Brown's calm and friendly voice. After the story, the class plays a fun game where they introduce themselves and share their favorite things. Olivia learns that Emma loves drawing and that another boy, Liam, likes to play soccer. Olivia tells the class that she loves reading and playing with her dog, Max. For the rest of the morning, the class does different activities, like coloring pictures and learning new songs. Olivia enjoys every moment and starts to feel more comfortable. She even raises her hand to answer a question about colors, which makes Mrs. Brown smile and say, "Good job, Olivia." At lunchtime, Olivia and Emma sit together in the cafeteria. They share their snacks and talk about their favorite books. "I think I'm going to like school," Olivia says. "Me too," Emma agrees. "It's fun to learn new things and make new friends." After lunch, the class has a short recess on the playground. Olivia and Emma play on the swings and laugh as they see who can swing the highest. They are soon joined by Liam, who challenges them to a race across the playground. "Last one to the tree is a rotten egg," he shouts. Olivia, Emma, and Liam ran as fast as they can, laughing all the way. Olivia reaches the tree first and cheers, "I'm not a rotten egg." The afternoon goes by quickly with more games and a fun science activity. Before Olivia knows it, the school day is over and it's time to go home. As she packs up her backpack, she feels happy and proud. She made new friends, learned new things, and had a great time. Outside, Olivia's dad is waiting for her. "How was your first day?" he asks. "It was amazing, Dad. I made a new friend named Emma, and we played lots of fun games," Olivia says, smiling brightly. "I'm so glad to hear that," her dad says. "I knew you would have a great day." As they walk home, Olivia feels excited about all the adventures that school will bring. She can't wait to go back tomorrow and see what other fun things are in store.